For thousands of years, people have imagined strange things deep underground. Fire, darkness, hidden worlds, hell. But in the Soviet Arctic, that old fear collided with a real machine. At the Kola Superdeep Borehole, Soviet engineers drilled over 12 kilometers down, deeper than any human-made hole before it. Then the project stopped, the site was abandoned, and a legend began to grow around it. Some said the drill had reached something it should never have reached. But the legend was never the most unsettling part. The real story was buried deeper. Not because the drill opened hell. The truth was quieter, and maybe stranger. The deeper Kola went, the more the Earth stopped matching the plan. Engineers expected hard rock, predictable layers, and manageable heat. Instead, the hole entered a world where heat climbed faster than expected. At more than 11 kilometers, temperatures reached around 180 degrees Celsius. Tools failed, drill strings twisted, and the rock was no longer just a wall to cut through. Under pressure and heat, it became fractured, unstable, and harder to control. The Soviets had built a machine to go down, but the deeper it went, the less the ground acted like ground. And the surprises were not only mechanical. The drill did not find the simple layers scientists expected. A boundary that seemed clear from seismic data did not turn into the neat basalt layer they had imagined. There was more granite than expected. Water appeared deep inside ancient rock. Gases rose from the hole, and microscopic fossils were found kilometers below the surface. Kola was not a tunnel to another world. It was a window into this one. And what it showed was that the earth beneath us is not a dead stack of stone. It is hot, pressured, cracked, wet, and complicated, even far below anything humans can reach. In the end, the project did not fail because the legend was true. It stopped because the real planet was harder than the myth. Today, the deepest hole is sealed with a metal cap. It looks small, almost ordinary, but below it is a shaft deeper than humans had ever drilled, and still only a tiny fraction of the way through the Earth. The Kola Borehole did not touch hell. It touched the limit of what our machines could survive, and that may be the more unsettling discovery. Not that something was waiting below, but that even after 12 kilometers we had barely begun to enter the Earth.